This is Amiga's Joy. We call her Amiga. She's our Rocky Mountain horse. She hasn't been ridden in about 4 months. I'm not able to ride anymore because of back problems. But our handler is a real good rider. She's going to ride her. First thing we do with any of our horses that have been not ridden every day is give them a little exercise, get them loosened up, get them back in the groove of listening. That's where they're supposed to turn around, turn facing you. So about 15 minutes of this and we'll be putting the saddle on and doing some riding. Here's Amiga. Today we're using an English saddle. These gaited horses need to have it's a saddle for gaited, and that doesn't press on the shoulder blade or the hips. A gaited saddle, like an IMS 4-beat saddle or a English saddle, they both work. It's mounting on the off side.
You want me to do the left side too?
Yeah. Teacher mounting on and off on both sides, standing still at the mounting block. She has had a little trouble standing still at the mounting block. We believe that's because of her previous training. She's 15, but as far as we know, she's been in an arena type. We don't know if she's been trail, but she's been allowed to walk off in the past, and we're reinforcing her to stand still, be mounted until being told to walk off. And she did real good this time. She is in her bit that came with her when we bought her from Kentucky. It is a shank bit as opposed to a snaffle. And she does real good in that bit. Very responsive to stops and turns. She is for sale. Only reason because I cannot ride anymore. I'm not allowed to ride anymore with my back surgery. I have 3 fusions. I have another fusion I'm waiting to get a surgery date on. I just can't take the movement of any horse. There's always a little forward backward movement no matter how smooth they are. The doctor said I just can't do that anymore. So we decided to put Amiga up for sale to someone who can give her the experience that she really needs. Got her for me a couple years ago because I did have a back problem, and she worked out really nicely, but my back problem's gotten worse. So a nice little gait. It's pretty close to a step pace. in a round pen. She has more difficult time doing a gate in a round pen than straight. She tends to go into a pace in a round pen. When she had her baby by her side, round pen didn't hold her back. They gated together. I think I have videos of that when her baby was born, even in a smaller round pen. So we know she gates. She gates quite well. Just up how the rider sits on her. There we go. Okay, is able to collect her hind end. She has a nice smooth walk compared to our other Rocky. It's a long body, long walk, fast walk, and more forward-backward movement. Our other Rocky is expecting a baby from El Cid, so we're holding off on her. She's be a lot more expensive than Amiga, however, because she's been trained by professional training for some 6 months prior to when we got her, and she does side passes and all sorts of fun stuff. Amiga is trail horse. And even at a pace, it's very, very smooth. Heads down. Trying to teach her about opening and closing gates. Apparently she's never done that before, and she's come a long ways. Karis is 17, and I'd class her as an intermediate rider. She could handle her stallions pretty good. Amiga's neck is arched, head down. That dog in the background bothers a little bit. They bother all the horses, but it's good for them.